Krish provide.
Sir, I can start?
Yes, Krish.
Yes. Yes, you can start now.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
क्या डालना है?
This is what? What? What are you pouring inside the water? Which liquid?
Sir, there is a chilled water
Okay, chilled water.
and nail paint.
Nail paint. Okay. Be careful.
इसकी माचिस नहीं जल रही.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Be careful, Krish. Be careful.
Sir, wait for some time after. At last, sir. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Present over here.
Okay, hello.
I am Prakhar Yadav from grade 8th. Going to perform some simple activity.
Okay. Science
For
activity.
those, I require a glass, a lemon, and salt and water.
Okay.
First, pour the water into glass. Put lemon inside it.
Okay.
As we can see, the lemon sinks down in the glass, in the glass of water.
Yes.
It proves that the density of lemon
What did it show?
is higher than the density of water.
Prakhar.
Yes, sir.
Sinking of the lemon in the bottom, no? In the water. What does it
Yes.
show?
So it shows that the density of lemon is higher than the water.
Density of lemon is?
Higher.
Higher.
Yes. Okay. Then
Okay.
be in front of the camera. कहाँ चले गए?
So I have added some salt in the water.
Okay.
And I'm putting the lemon inside the water.
Same
First,
lem-
we have to mix it well.
same lemon you are putting? Same lemon you are placing in the water?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
The first I'm mixing the water.
Mixing the water?
Oh, sorry, sir. So mixing the water and salt.
Okay.
The lemon.
Earlier it sank in the water, but now it is floating. What is the reason behind it?
So now
Why are you making so haste? Voice is not coming.
Wait, let him.
Sir, can I start?
Yes.
Yes, Paridhi.
Good morning, sir. Rakesh Sharma from grade 7B is here with experiment. So my this experiment, we have to take corn flour and shampoo.
Corn flour and shampoo. Okay.
We have to cut shampoo and pour it in the bowl.
Okay. It's a bowl, not bowl.
Okay, sir. Then we have to take 1 spoon corn flour.
Okay, corn flour.
Some other thing
Then
is
we
there.
have to mix
Paridhi?
it well.
Paridhi,
Yes, sir.
is there any other ingredient in your bowl besides
No, sir.
shampoo? One more thing, powdery substance is there.
Shampoo and some corn flour.
Okay.
Corn flour, shampoo. Okay. Camera off. Please turn on the camera.
So, sir, as you can see,
Okay. It's so messy.
कैमरे की क्लैरिटी बहुत है, फिर ये सामने साफ क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
उनका कैमरा की क्वालिटी खराब है, इस वजह से। मेरी तो इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
sir, you can see it is made with small clay.
Okay, click. Next.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have also given.
Okay.
Sir, I can perform now.
Yes, you can perform now. Ashmi.
Okay, sir, just wait for a minute. Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Today I'm here with an experiment with magic paste and grease. So you can see this is detergent.
Little detergent, okay.
Water floats. This is turmeric which we use in our food.
Okay.
And a clean bowl. And water, knife, and lemon. So
Okay.
here I will make a solution of turmeric and water. So sir, you can see that this is the solution of turmeric and water.
Yes,
And then
Maima.
we add a
Yes,
pinch
Maima.
of
Okay. No problem, Maima.
detergent.
You can perform.
So this will turn into red color. Means detergent is and base. It's a base.
Why it turned red?
So when we add base to an indicator, it will react on it.
Ash,
But when we use
Complete.
lemon
Okay.
in this solution,
Please turn your camera down. I can't see.
so this is lemon.
More
We
down.
have added lemon,
Camera
and
is
you can
not.
see the solution
solution again turns to yellow color.
Camera is not good.
So the base reacts to an
I am
indicator that
watching your hand.
the acid.
I am watching your
Yes,
hand.
sir.
Watching your the content is not visible. Please put your camera down.
So you can see the solution again is turned to yellow color because the acid base reacts to an indicator that
Why-
the acid
in the-
cannot react to an indicator.
In the beginning, why
Acid
it turned
reacts
red?
on the surface of acid.
Ashmi, beta Ashmi,
Yes, sir.
why it turned red when base was added,
Yes, sir.
detergent was added?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason behind it?
Because sir, the base reacts to the indicator. Like
Which one is indicator?
if we put different times to red.
What?
And so when
What?
we add the acid,
What?
it's
What is indicator, beta, in your experiment?
the indicator is turmeric. Turmeric is a
Okay.
natural
It is natural indicator. When it reacts with base,
Yes, sir.
it gives red color.
red.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's why any stain on the white shirt of the turmeric or any curry is spilled on the shirt, then
Yes,
when it is washed with detergent or any soap, it turns red. Then when you applied
Yes,
lemon,
sir.
then what happened to it? Red color lost.
Sir, because sir, or curry or turmeric is put on a white shirt, but we use detergent to turn to red. That's why we use lemon to glaze.
Okay, okay.
So the stain will again turn
Okay,
safer.
perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Now, in
So
content.
now can I?
Yes, yes, yes.
फिर पढ़ दिया
Kavya Sharma.
परिधि है
Yes, Paridhi. Now what happened? The clay is formed. After that, what will happen? Okay, now Kavya is there. Hello, Kavya.
अच्छा बहन बहन है
Hmm.
Can I start?
Yes, yes, yes. You can start now.
Good morning, sir. I am Kavya Sharma of class 6 and experiment. So this experiment topic is turmeric detergent and vinegar mix. First we take first I will tell you what things are taken in this. One bottle turmeric, detergent, and vinegar. Now we will mix turmeric in water.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. Children's
Turmeric in water.
principal ma'am is there. So
Now mix it well.
welcome, ma'am, for experiment time.
Good afternoon, everyone, and all the best.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, carry
Yes,
on.
Kavya.
Kavya, carry on.
Detergent. Now you can see the color is red because of the reaction of water, turmeric and detergent.
ओके
Now mix the vinegar.
Okay, vinegar.
Now you can see it is again yellow.
Okay, now tell me why this when you add vinegar in it again.
Hello.
महिमा वाजपेयी
Hmm.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा गुड आफ्टरनून Mahima, good
Yes,
moon.
sir.
Yes.
ऑन करिए कैमरा कहाँ हो गया सर कैन आई स्टार्ट
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Hello everyone, this is Mahima here and I study in 7th standard of New High School. Today I'm going to show you an experiment of neutralization.
Neutralization.
Neutralization reaction, okay? So, before we go ahead, I will tell you all the components for the experiment. So here you can see I have baking soda
Okay,
and here I have vinegar.
okay.
So what do you think happens when we mix vinegar and baking soda? Let's see, check it. Here I am mixing baking soda into the vinegar.
Put the camera slightly down. Effervescence is there. Bubbles are there. No?
Beta, I am unable to see your bowels.
Please show the bowl.
बाउल नहीं दिख रहा है बाउल नहीं दिख रहा
Okay, yes.
So can you see now?
Yes, yes, yes.
What is Mahima? Mahima,
Yes, sir.
one question is there. I don't know its answer. You tell me, what is neutralization reaction?
Sir, neutralization reaction is actually when the like it is vinegar and when we mix baking soda is a base. When we mix them together, they form bubbles and a sound of hissing comes. So
Okay. Why do they?
carbon dioxide gas releases in it,
Yes. Why?
and salt is produced.
Very good. But what is neutralization reaction? Answer is still not clear. Listen, beta. Okay, it's okay. When any acid.
So may I tell?
Yes. You tell.
Who is going to telling?
Sir, but I am completed the.
Okay, listen. When any acid reacts with base or alkali, it gives out salt and water and neutralizes both each other. So such type of reactions are called neutralization reaction. Are you getting me, Kavya? And Mahima? Sorry. Mahima,
Yes, sir.
am I audible? One more thing is there.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
because you have taken the metallic bicarbonate, this खाने वाला सोडा जिसको बोला आपने ना सोडा बाइकार्ब, actually it is metallic bicarbonate. When metallic carbonate or bicarbonate reacts with dilute acids, they always give out salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Okay, it is not in your syllabus. It's okay, you performed well.
Okay, sir.
You performed well, but you will study about in higher classes. So you must know that when metallic, yes, when metallic carbonate.
Sir, I have to show some more experiment about this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. है ना?
So, sir, here. Okay. So, sir, here I have a bottle.
You have a bottle?
And, sir, it is a balloon filled with baking soda.
Yes.
So I will pour this baking soda into the vinegar to capture the carbon dioxide being released
Okay.
in a balloon. So I will do like this, and I will.
Wow.
Yes,
wow,
very
wow.
good.
Very good. Very nice.
Very good.
So sir, as you can see, I have a balloon filled with carbon dioxide. So sir, this was just an experiment. But we know some people say that we might have done just an experiment. But this was a real experiment.
Okay.
That was just a demonstration. An experiment is a part of scientific method about how something works.
Okay. One thing.
Then you gather information as much information as you can, and then you try to predict your answer.
Okay, Mahima. One thing I would like to tell you right now.
This was just an experiment part. What if I wanted to find out more gas? Do I add more vinegar and baking soda, or do I heat it up? What's your hypothesis? Alright, this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dear Mahima, Beta Mahima, Mahima, left.
Yes, sir.
Listen to me. One more thing I would like to tell you right now. You performed well. Okay, no doubt. But one thing is there, because there was no other space, no other way.
Take the help of someone else. Voice is not coming. Mic is mute.
Pandas offers high performance, easy to use data structure and data analysis tool.
Please unmute your mic.
Python need to develop
Sir, am I visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Visual and audio is clear.
environment. You can
Okay, sir.
Take the help of someone else.
No, it's okay. I think.
सर सब काम पे लगे हैं.
No problem, no problem.
It's clear.
ये स्टेटमेंट आपकी लाइब्रेरी कोड कर देगी. That's mean you are able to use Visual program to these languages. कैसे इसको हम ऐड करते हैं एप्लीकेशन में you know.
Yes, yes.
Sir, today I'll be explaining the neutralization.
Neutralization. Yes,
Sir,
yes,
Yes.
yes.
sir, can you mute your mic
Okay,
because sir echoing is.
okay.
Sir, are you able to see?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I can see.
Okay, sir. So today I'll be explaining the neutralization reaction. Sir, in the bowl I have taken turmeric which contains acid, and now I am mixing it with water.
Show me your bowl.
So what?
Show me your bowl. Bowl is not visible. Yes.
Sir, it is a solution of turmeric and water.
Okay. Next.
So now I am adding detergent which is a base
हमें उसमें मूव करना पड़ेगा. So स्क्रिप्ट के लिए देखो ये है आपका path.
So you can see it turns reddish brown.
Okay. Yes, it's turned red.
So first I have
स्क्रिप्ट है जहाँ हमारे प्रोग्राम सेव होते हैं उसी में आपको एक स्क्रिप्ट फोल्डर दिख रहा है.
so mute your mic please.
So problem बोलिए ज़्यादा.
So first I added the turmeric solution which was acid. It was containing acid. And then I added detergent which
Beta,
is
1 minute.
base.
खुशी,
Yes sir.
turmeric is acidic.
Yes sir. So turmeric is acidic.
And if you add base in it, then it should form salt and water.
तो ये क्या करेगा कि ये
So what? You are not audible.
If turmeric is acidic and detergent is base, then neutralization reaction, when acid reacts with base, they give out salt and water. Simple. Okay, you carry on.
Carry on. Anything is
You
left?
you continue. पकड़ लीजिए.
Okay sir. Sir, turmeric, at that time when I added water and turmeric solution, at that time it was acidic.
Okay.
So, when I added detergent into it, which was a base, because of base, reaction happened and sir, that's why it turned red.
Okay.
Because turmeric is a natural indicator.
Yes, now you are right. Turmeric is natural indicator. It is neither basic or neither acidic in nature. Okay. It gives
Okay, sir.
red color with the bases.
Okay.
Carry on.
So now I am having a half cut of lemon and I am adding 2-3 drops of lemon.
Very good.
So what happens with object index data? Series type object have a two main component. Array of actual
So now it is turning yellow.
Yes.
of index और data level. यहाँ पे क्या है हम labeling करते हैं.
Sir, turmeric is a natural indicator. It acts with base and when it acted with base, it turns red. And when it acts with the acid, which is citric acid I am using, then it turned yellow because no color is changed when acid is.
Okay.
Okay, beta.
Okay. Good afternoon.
My name is
Say
Akshay
hello.
Gupta. I am from class 7th A. I am performing an experiment called bubble inside a bubble. All you need is take a cup of glass, add 1 spoon of sugar and 2 spoon of cocoa.
क्या कहता है?
Bubble inside the bubble.
Then mix it. Last. Rub it on the table.
Okay.
कौन चीज लेनी होगी?
One twist is
And take 1 straw
okay.
and dip it. And then blow. And then blow inside it.
अपने यहाँ पे इसको ऑपरेट करने में we are getting in the your
As you can see,
No, I can't see.
so basically अब
Put your camera down.
पहले आगे करना था so I think
yes sir. So see,
Yes. Now bubble is formed.
सीरीज वाला वन डायमेंशनल के लिए है सबको स्टिल द वन डायमेंशनल ठीक है यहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है
Bubble inside the bubble.
yes sir.
What you have taken in the beginning?
Sir, 1 spoon of sugar,
Yes.
And then sir 2 spoon of soap.
Okay, 2 spoon of soap.
Sir 1 spoon of sugar in the beginning and then 2 spoon of soap.
Okay.
तो भी यहाँ पे क्लियर हो जैसे ओबीसी फी है which is the your interstitial offset so right now is equal to PE
How bubbles are formed?
just your
What is the reason?
liability so
Sir, these bubbles form because water reduces surface tension due to the soap. Hydrogen atoms in a water molecule are attracted to oxygen atoms in other water molecules. They like each and they cling together. Soap molecules help them be more steady by butting in and decreasing the force of the attraction. Soap and sugar also slows the evaporation of water molecules so bubbles can be last longer.
Okay. Good.
देखो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है create the non-empty series object you need to specify as per these formulas
Last time you performed bubble ball, huh?
similar है PT dot series function but you have to write
Okay. Any question?
Okay. No. Hello, Papa. क्या बात?
Okay, Aishi. You performed well.
Okay, sir.
Well done.
So can I perform?
Who is that fellow?
The Bhumi. 2 eggs and salt.
Recording हो रही है.
YouTube पे डाल बच्चे देखें.
To start, water. Now take a in one of the glass and see what happens. We can see that the now at another glass of water.
एक में सॉल्ट डाला है, एक में एग डाला है, दोनों में एग डालना है.
Might this obtain a salt solution? Mixing one until the salt dissolves in water. Now we will obtain which the density of salt and we take another salt water and we
डेंसिटी एक्सपेरिमेंट है.
what happened we can clearly that
Okay,
we can clearly
it's floating.
at the end of sinking. This is because egg is less than water, in water. But the egg in common water higher than the density of water. So it sinks in water. Another why different might this experiment show less density and the density of other which is higher than the water. Thank you.
Okay, any question?
Bhumi.
Yes, sir.
Beta rotten egg
Yes, sir.
also floats on the surface of water.
Yes.
Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Then your egg may be rotten. There is possibility it might be rotten or not. Both eggs are fresh. I am asking. I am not telling. Yes, Bhumi.
Yes, sir.
Both eggs are fresh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me one more thing. Why density of water increases when you add salt?
Because, sir, the salt takes
Okay.
Okay, beta.
No problem. No problem. Is Sarthak Divedi is there?
of egg is less than water.
तुम डिसीजन लेना.
Hello, anything is left?
No, sir.
Okay.
Shivam. Shivam.
Shivam Vikal.
You want to participate?
Shivam?
No, sir.
Anybody else?
If you want to participate, then you can participate. We have plenty of time.
Anybody else? Who wants to perform?
No. Okay. Now we are going to wind up this experiment time. Thank you so much for taking part in it, and it will very enjoyable to see the experiment from all the participants.
Yes, all the participants, they performed well and they exhibited their experiments in a proper way. Okay? We can learn the science by performing the experiments and getting the result. So in the very beginning I told you that you need not to argue to prove anything, but you have to show the proof. Okay? The science, in science, experiments are the best way. And you can conclude, show the conclusion, observation to the others. Okay?
Okay, thank you so
Have
much.
a good day. Now you can leave.
Okay, bye. Bye everyone.
Bye, beta.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. अब ये बताओ